Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent with disinfectant, deodorizing, and astringent properties. Its chemical formula is KMNO4. It is sometimes called by its common name, Condes crystals. In its raw state, potassium permanganate is an odorless dark purple, almost black crystal or granular powder. What is potassium permanganate used for? A weak solution applied to the affected skin is useful to help dry up a wet, exudative dermatoses, such as weeping eczema, ampatagonized eczema, pompholyx, blistering skin conditions such as pemphigoid. Permanganate solution was a traditional treatment for fungal infections, but topical azoles e.g. clotrimazole and allylamines e.g. terbinafine are more effective and cosmetically acceptable. How is the topical potassium permanganate solution prepared? Potassium permanganate is dispensed as either crystals for dissolving in water, a concentrated solution 1 in 100 to be further diluted 100-fold to its working concentration, tablets permatubs that contain 400 mg of potassium permanganate. One tablet is completely dissolved in 4 L of warm water. Important notes on preparation. All will require dilution with warm water to a final use concentration of 1 in 10,000. Mixing should be performed with a gloved hand to help facilitate the dilution, or dissolve the tablet completely before use. The final solution should be a light pink color. The solution and tablets should be stored securely out of reach of children. Potassium permanganate must never be taken internally as it is highly toxic. Do not eat or drink when handling the product. How is potassium permanganate used? Potassium permanganate crystals and concentrated solutions are caustic and can burn the skin. It must only ever be applied in the dilute form to affected skin. Always wear gloves when handling the concentrated solution or tablets. The affected area can be immersed in the dilute solution for 20 months, twice a day. After the soak, the affected area can be patted dry with a paper towel, and treatments like topical steroid creams can then be applied. Vaseline can be applied to the nails to prevent the permanganate causing brown staining. 2 to 3 days of applications will usually dry the weeping eruption, and the soaks can be discontinued before the skin becomes over dry. If a foot or hand is affected, the diluted permanganate solution can be put into a bowl or bucket with a plastic bag liner that can be discarded after use. If the weeping rash is widespread, permanganate can be diluted in bath water and the whole of the body immersed. If the weeping area is more localized, diluted permanganate can be applied on a gauze soaked in diluted permanganate that has been gently squeezed to remove excess solution, and applied to the affected area for 20 minutes. Potassium permanganate soaks are not suitable for dry skin conditions. Note that potassium permanganate may leave a brown stain on skin and nails as well as clothing. Use nail varnish or by apply soft paraffin to fingernails and toenails before treatment. Potassium permanganate can also stain the bath or vessel holding the solution, and ceramic sanitary ware, a consideration when disposing of the solution.